Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sunscreen cream. This DIY recipe uses natural ingredients and is easy to make at home. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. 2. 1/4 cup of shea butter. 3. 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide powder. 4. 1 tablespoon of beeswax. 5. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. 6. Optional. A few drops of essential oils for fragrance. Instructions. 1. In a double boiler, melt the coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax together over low heat. 2. Once the ingredients are melted, remove them from the heat and add the zinc oxide powder and vitamin E oil. 3. Stir the mixture well until all ingredients are combined. 4. If desired, add a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. 5. Transfer the mixture into a clean jar or container and let it cool down completely. 6. Your homemade sunscreen cream is now ready to use. Tips. 1. Be sure to use non-nano zinc oxide powder to avoid any potential health risks. 2. If you want a higher SPF, you can increase the amount of zinc oxide powder in the recipe. 3. Store the sunscreen cream in a cool and dry place to keep it fresh. There you have it, a simple and natural recipe for making your own sunscreen cream at home. Remember to apply sunscreen regularly when you're outside to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.